Imagine if there was a better way to manage and monitor your data storage infrastructure by leveraging big data analytics and machine learning. Kaminario customers are already taking advantage of this unique capability with Kaminario Clarity. Clarity is a SaaS-based predictive analytics platform that delivers intelligence, automation, and analytics to customers' cloud-scale infrastructure. In this video, we'll demonstrate how Clarity enables customers to understand capacity trends and predict usage. So from our dashboard, we want to take a look at how the capacity has changed and the prediction about how it will change going forward. So in this capacity planning tab, we'll notice that it's applicable only to a single K2, so we'll deselect 5405. And here we'll see the line for today. Our Clarity Analytics are taking a look at the usage. Now this is physical usage, not allocated, meaning not after data reduction, and how it's grown over time. And that 6959 will be 80% or greater full in less than a month. Now in fairness, 6959 is at 79%. So we will notice that very quickly we see this 80% line and then the 100% line. So as we come through here, we'll notice that basically we're going to hit 80% in a couple of days at the historical trend. And then certainly by the end of August, this array is projected to be completely full. We can also view the data reduction ratios. So we can see it got better over time, and Clarity is predicting that it'd stay in a reasonably steady state. Take those away, we can take a look at our allocated capacity. Really had a lot of ups and downs there versus the physical capacity. Again, allocated capacity based on the data reduction. Can remove that. Can remove our threshold lines, can remove the trends, add the trends back in. Oh. Obviously we want our capacity values there. So this allows to look both historically and based on trends when we think that when Clarity sees the array becoming 80% and then of course completely full. Go ahead and we'll select 5405. Now it doesn't have a lot of data on it, hasn't been highly utilized, but we can see given the trend, it's certainly going to be it's going to be greater than a year before it reaches the 80%. And obviously, if we look at these lines here, we can see, this is going to go a long time. Seems to be a pretty steady state, so obviously this one has space projected going forward. Something to consider might be taking a volume or volume group off of 6959 and moving it over to 5405. Just because of where we are in terms of physical limitations. And then at this 80% mark, you may ask, well, why do we care about 80%? The 80% mark is the line at which the K2 will begin more aggressive reclamation routines. It'll do this in an effort to keep itself as physically free as possible, but it does that at a very small but existent performance decrement. So more of the resources are going toward reclamation as opposed to user data. Might see the latency spike a little more as reclamation becomes more aggressive. So we say, okay, here's the 80%, here's the physical wall, the limitation, and so by using Clarity, you're able to look and see that, okay, we're going to run out of space on 6959 soon, But wow, 5405 sure has a lot of room. Maybe can move some data over there, even things out. And that really is one of the benefits of the predictive analytics of Kaminario's Clarity Planning. Ready to simplify management of your storage infrastructure? Visit Kaminario.com and discover how you can get more clarity with Kaminario Clarity.